don't used to come to my house the way you used to anymore. Even the place we normally meet, you don't come there anymore. Did I offend you? Did I do anything wrong? What is happening? It's me. What is happening?
Ekene, nothing is happening. Be Konaba, just go. You don't want to go, I stay here. I mean, don't touch me.
No, ma, please come now. Eh? Okay, I'm sorry. Whatever it is, I'm sorry. Hey. Did I do anything wrong? Why should... No, ma, please now. Eh? Please now.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see you. Doesn't mean you're the one for me. Time will tell. But please take it easy with my heart.
Who is here? Bam, bam. No, big one.
Nice.
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your friend just told me that he wants to go and see his friend.
No, my guess.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mama, are you not seeing what I'm saying?
What is it?
Mama, are you not seeing that your son Ekene is trying to enslave his dreams?
What was it?
His future with that thing called Norma. Okay.
How?
Give me a minute. This is 50,000 naira.
Hey!
A girl gave it to me and said I should give it to your son Ekene because she loves him.
You.
But do you know what your son did? Ekene, your son, bluntly rejected it.
He said he can never accept it.
That the only girl he wants to spend the rest of his life with is Norma.
Chekodo, how much do you say that money is?
Mama, 50,000.
50,000 naira.
50,000 naira. Over Proguaya.
Ekene rejected 50,000 naira because of Norma.
It doesn't end there. He said he'd rather die in poverty, loving Norma, than to love someone who is ever ready to wash away the fume of wretchedness from his body.
Just give me that money. Ekene must be very, very stupid to reject this huge amount of money because of Norma. Oya was in Norma. Where is she from? What does she do? Eh? Norma bukane bukunisa agali now. Is that what I want? Please, just tell that girl that I, Ekene's mother, have accepted her. That's wholeheartedly from my heart. I have accepted her. As a matter of fact, that she should come and see me.
That's the spirit. Mama, you will like this girl.
Is okay.
Oh yes. She's a graduate and very intelligent.
Yeah? You see it? This is exactly the kind of daughter-in-law that I want. A girl that is educated and that will be helping me financially. Oh, no. Like I said, I told him the bunkonisi. Nailusini. If I called it. Ugly girl. Nonsense.
Let me tell you. This girl equally said that if your son Ekene can accept to marry her, that she wouldn't mind making papers for him to travel abroad.
She said that also.
She said it. Obodo
Truth to God, Norma or whatever thing her name is called in this company again. I will eat her alive. Tell her to come and see me.
Okay.
that I will have accepted her. Let her come. The whole thing are in my hand. Oh, see, I no more sobu. No, my jajebe. I will send her out from my house immediately. You want to go?
Let me run a lot.
You know, I don't with the money. Give me the money.
No, Mama, the money is meant for your son, Ekene, not you.
But Ekene does not want the money. I want the money.
Oh. When I see him, I will give it to him.
Give the money to me.
It's not possible.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know, just go mbute. Yeah, na chele kwa mwana chuku. Nga mama kwa.
But I'm not sure of the money. I would rather go and face the one I want.
Biko, I am tired of talking. I don't know what Beauty says where that poor wretched brat is. Now, could you imagine that Beauty went to my account and withdrew the sum of 350,000 naira with my ATM card? What she did with that money is what I don't know. Please, Nai, help me ask Beauty what her problem is and why she has chosen to disgrace me to this extent.
Neka,
Nai.
You want me to talk to your daughter, Beauty? Why would she not refuse to hear what you're saying? Since you refused to give me that thing, what I've been demanding from you. What I know is my right since the death of my brother, and you are depriving me of it. Okay, now you are here. Are you ready to give me that thing that I've been demanding from you?
Over my dead body.
Ah, I see. Now I see that you've refused to give it to me. I think it's better you go to those people that those people that you give it to. Go and complain about your daughter to them.
Nai, stop saying all these things and be serious for once. I came here to report to you the bad behavior of your late brother's daughter, and you're here telling me a different thing. Don't you have conscience?
Hey! Oh, conscience. Which conscience are you talking about? Or are you trying to tell me that those people you that they don't have conscience? Are you trying to tell me also that ever since the death of my brother that you've not done it with any other person? Tell me, Neka. I don't know whether you are taking me to be a fool. Only know when I will let her know. But come on.
Please.
Wait. I don't know whether what I think you now discuss is what concerns two of us. I think that is what we will sit to discuss. The thing that concerns two of us, and not about your daughter Beauty. Are you ready to give me that thing?
Give you what? You see this? I'd rather die than to allow you have a taste of it. I don't believe. Because of somebody I came to discuss important matter to. You're here telling me a different thing. I don't even know why I came to get to you in the first place.
Hey! Oh, I will remain around. Since you are working out on me, Eme, about your sagoma, Uba ko jedo arogoro. Owo he nwere nga agwa gị. Kuba jedo arogoro. No problem.
Akana. Yo. Were you given an offer of money by a girl which you rejected?
Yes, Mama. Yes.
Why? Makagini? Is it because of Norma?
Exactly, Mama.
Hey! Afumalo.
You know I love Norma so much. And I can't just start collecting money from somebody just like that because I got to remember Siabia, so I can't even pretend to love her.
Shut up your mouth! Michionu Kangwale. What can Norma do for you? You want to die chasing shadow? Eh? You want to die chasing shadows? Eh? Amarife? See, let me tell you. You will start from this very moment to nurture feelings in your heart for that girl. Look at you. What is wrong with you? Imakwefe, can't you see that God is about lifting this family up? God is bringing good things for us. Eh?
Mama, I should nurture something in my mind. But, Mama, you surprised me. You surprised me, Mama. Mama, wait. Are you not the same person that said, if I don't marry Norma, that you will not be happy? Mama, is this not the same Norma that is toiling day and night, toiling, stressing herself to come here and take care of you? Is this not the same person you said that if I marry her, I will make you a fulfilled woman? Mama, don't tell me you have started falling in love with another person because of money. Somebody you don't know. Somebody you don't even know where she's coming from. Mama, where is your conscience?
I asked where is your own conscience. Where is your own conscience? You told him my fair. One no my fair. And let me tell you, a man that is without money is like a walking corpse. Untouchable. Let me tell you, the only reason Norma is still with you is because a rich man has not come for her. Once a rich man comes, embrace this good thing that is coming for us. If any man, huge amount of money that you're turning down, and I look at you and I wonder,
Mama, no. Mama, my Norma would never leave me for another man, no matter how much that man has. I know my Norma. She loves me and I love her. She will never do that. Mama, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will not be part of this. Mama, it is the same you that made me fall in love deeply with Norma because I wanted you to be happy. Now you want me to leave her in between. Mama, have you forgotten that somebody will be hurt? Somebody's feelings will be hurt. Do you care what I feel? Do you care what she feels if I leave her? Just because of someone who has a lot of money to throw about. That's why you want me to leave Norma? Mama, I will not do that.
You will be part of it. You are going to be part of it in the morning, afternoon, and night. You will be part of it. Eh? Take this offer and bring light into our home. Can make you correct like other women. Reject it and want a poverty. But I will not allow you. You will live in Norma. You must follow that girl. Kevin Akoifa. What are you talking about?
Lema. Thank God.
Agana?
Thank God you're here.
I just choose to come and chill out here, you know?
I was just coming from your place.
What do I offer you?
I am not interested in your offer. I don't need your offer because you're not a friend. I am just coming from your house now and they said you went out. I was about going back before I saw you here.
I hope all is well.
I woke up this morning and I decided to come and see you to ask you just one question.
And what is it?
You see? You see the kind of friendship we have? It will not work for you. Let me ask you. Why would you have to conspire with my mother? My own mother. To make this difficult for myself and my mama?
Hey! Is that what you mean?
Yes, that's what I mean.
I can understand. There's nothing like that. You hear the eh? See, we are not trying to make things difficult for you and the normal. Eh? but rather we're trying to stop you from being a victim to an unending wretchedness. Ekene, don't you have brain? Huh? Listen, let me tell you. Women use what they have in between their two legs to get what they want. Ekene, you are a man for Christ's sake. Huh? Use that rod in between your own two legs and get what you want. Or are you trying to tell me that that rod is no longer active? If it's no longer active,
You're trying to remove me from unending poverty. I am gay. Did I tell you I am not satisfied the way I am? Hi, Nema. Nema, I am totally disappointed at you. I should have known your kind of person. Nema, I trusted you. I trusted you with my last drop. That to the extent that you know everything I do in this village. Everywhere I go with this girl, Nema. And you could do this kind of thing to me. Nema, I am disappointed.
Point of correction, Ekene. I did nothing wrong to you. I have done nothing wrong to you, Ekene. As a friend, I want the best for you.
You are not my friend.
I'm your friend, Ekene.
You are not my friend.
Look at you.
You are not. Because if you are my friend and you cherish our friendship, you trust our friendship, you will go back to my mother. The same way you poisoned her mind to hate Norma, you will go back to her and make her
Ekene, you lie.
Yes, you will do
it. You lie, Ekene.
I lie.
I can't do it.
You won't do it.
Ekene, I cannot do it.
You will not do it.
Look at you.
No problem.
Don't you have sense?
Let me tell you something. You see that girl Norma is the love of my life.
Okay.
And there is nothing you or anybody can do about it.
Oh.
Are you listening?
Okay.
I don't want to know. But you must go back to my mother and change that thing if you want us to remain friends.
Ekene. Man, Igbo, on your mask, net is pure. Huh? Jaru giri mkomepe akunu chegi. Ika kwa mnugiri na goge. Jakiru giri kopuru gimepe. Ekwa Ekene. Iya na puso ne pure ya. Jaru giri kopuru gimepe. Wolo mo la tunye long. Oh, that is it though. Huh? Like I told you before, this is Beauty. The girl I have been telling you about. Huh? She has been disturbing me that she wants to see you. Huh? So I have no other option than to bring her to you.
Hey,
huh? This is Mama.
Nema, you try.
Thank you, Mama.
Try to bring
Thank
her.
you, thank you.
Nema, you are welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you, Ma.
Actually, my son's friend had said so much about you. And I did not doubt him because I know he normally tells me the right things. And I believe everything he told me. But what's extra thing that I did not understand is that you are looking more beautiful than
So out.
Thank you for the compliment, Ma. I truly do appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. No. Are you from this village?
No, I'm not. I'm from Eluhu.
Eluhu Amoito.
Exactly.
Who is your father there?
My father is late Chief Akubeze.
Wow. Late Chief Akubeze, Dinaya Okadike.
Yes, Mom.
Do you know it was this man that wanted to marry me?
Are you serious?
Hey!
He wanted to marry me, but I was too young to marry him. His father was too rich. See how fate works.
But the truth is, I know you, but I didn't know you are Kene's mother.
Who doesn't know a poor widow like me in this village? Who feed through begging and petty trading? Mama,
please, don't talk like that, okay? Okay, listen to me. I'm here to help you.
Hey!
I want to take care of you. Yes, I want to dry away all your tears.
You want to help me?
Yes, Mom.
Take care of me?
Yes.
And dry my tears? Hey!
Listen, Mama. See, from now on, whatever it is that you want, be it clothes, money, food, anything.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Even though you have not done anything, I've not seen anything, but thank you. Because I know you will do everything. I know.
Betty, now you've made your own promise to her. What of me?
Listen. What you allow her to finish with me?
Oh, I don't mind him.
He's always very greedy.
Mama, Anya who deal with share.
Mama, don't cry.
Okay.
Everything you said you are going to do, you will do for me.
I will. Trust me.
Thank you very much. My God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you. Amen. You're a good girl. I don't know why I've not seen you since.
It's okay. Now that you see me, it's gonna be fine.
Hey! Mama, did you hear that? It's gonna be fine.
I know.
What?
Thank you.
So, Mama, I haven't seen Ekene around. How is he?
Ekene, Mom. I sent him on errand, but he will soon be back.
Okay, so I missed him then.
It's okay.
Maybe I'll see him next time when I come.
It's okay. How is the mother?
No, she's doing well.
Just
very
like,
well.
yeah.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Yes. What do you want? Yeah? Get a picture.
Hey, Mama. I came to see Ekene.
Ekene is not at home.
But you told me to come down.
Shut up! I said he is not at home. Actually, Corneda and Ozefe. Hey, Obin. Hey, you're here.
You're right, I'm at home, yes. Why is your face like this? You know, come, let's go inside.
Go away! Where are you going to? Eh? Go away.
Inside.
Which inside? My house. Kobu's house. Come on, get out from here!
What do you want?
I want her to leave you alone. Bianoma Biko, leave my son alone. You did not give birth to him for me, oh Mumulia. I gave birth to you. I breastfed you for more than, what does it was breastfed for 9 months. You suckled on this breast for a year plus, even a year and 6 months.
Mama.
Leave.
Please.
I said, get away from me. I said you should leave my son. Not today. I will kill you with my bare hands, idiot.
Norma.
Come on, come back here, Mafia. Come back here. So you want to follow her?
Mom, have you seen what you caused? Are you happy now?
What did I cause? So if I had left you, you would run after her like a fool. Then I would have taught you a lesson. I would have taught you that I am the one that gave birth to you. I breastfed you with this my breast for more than 1 year. Others suckled on their mother's breast for 9 months. You suckled for almost a year, 6 months. No wonder you would want to make him a mundi also. Because you finished everything. Now you won't allow me to have rest. Nah, Mama. Get those things inside for me.
What has she done now? What has she done?
You should have told me. You should have told me that your mother does not like me. You should have told me that all her smiles to me is pretense. I should have known how to handle this thing and coming this far with you only for me to see your mother who I see as my mother change her attitude towards me.
Hey, Obin, I don't want you to allow that to bother you. As far as I'm concerned, my mother loves you. And as far as I'm concerned, she cares about you.
Like this. Then tell me, why is she behaving like this, How come she suddenly changed her attitude towards me? You are telling me that she loves me. Is this what they call love? Is it what they call love? Leave me alone, leave me alone, just leave me. You leave me.
I don't want this to bother you. You know I love you. I'm here for you. I'm always with you. The main thing is that you have me and that is what you need.
No! It's not easy. I need everything. I need you. I need your mother. I can't feel comfortable if I'm not at peace with anybody around you. You're telling me this. I wanted to love me as my own. I wanted to love you because I'm going to be a future daughter-in-law. You're telling me she loves me like this.
See, you know what? I'll talk to her. Yes. Maybe she was in a bad mood when you came around. I know if I talk to her, at least she will change towards you. Huh? But I promise I'll talk to her.
You promise?
Yes.
I want you to go and talk to her. It's my own. I want you to go and talk to her.
Hey, Omale Cham. Ugebem.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see you.
The love of my life.
Doesn't mean you're the one for take it easy with my heart. Cause my heart is so gentle and nice.
Afternoon. Please, who are you and how may I help you?
My name is Ekene. I came to see Beauty.
Ekene?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you are the young man who has made my daughter not to concentrate.
Excuse me, ma'am. What did you just say?
Well, Ekene, whatever you call yourself, you heard me right. Yes. If you know what is good for you, or if you have ears, stay away from my daughter. Else, the song that shall play, you will not like it.
Oh, that's exactly the reason why I came to see her, to warn her. Okay, good. Now that I know that you are involved, let me pass the message. Mama, help me warn your useless daughter to stay away from me. Help me warn her to stop bribing people into luring me to fall in love with her. Help me talk sense into her, please. I'm in love with someone I cherish already. Please, I beg you. Help me tell her to stay away from me, my family, and my friends. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Beauty! Beauty! This girl has finished me!
You're walking out on me, Ekene. Did you go to Mama Beauty to tell her daughter to leave you alone?
Yes, Mama. I went to warn Mama Beauty to tell her useless daughter to leave me alone. Is she not old enough to understand the difference between when a man says no to a relationship and yes? Or is it because she has money? Eh? And that was your...
Ekene, you are very stupid. You're very, very stupid. If you go find me for doing this thing, over my dead body will I forgive you, Ekene?
Mama, over my own dead body will I accept or even imagine to have anything to do with that girl? Mama, poverty, what? Is it because of the poverty? Mama, is it because she has some filthy money to throw about and she thinks she can buy any love or anybody because of her money?
Ekene? Ekene? Muna yana mazaka? Muna yana mazaka, Ekene? Because of that riffraff? Because of that stupid number? You will not talk back at me, Ekene? No problem! Ekene, no problem! You will see. By the time I finish with the number, hey! They will not that I'm going to get back to you and nurse you with this my two breasts for more than 1 year. They will not. Number! The quite libet! I cannot go left right hand. Come and take right hand, Norma. You will see what I will do to you.
Mama, don't trust that girl.
If I yap him, your mama taking, I will do it too. Let me yap him.
Mama, leave that girl alone.
I'm waiting for her. No problem, Ekene. Both of you should wait for me. Mr. Wadria.
That girl did not do anything to you. This girl has been taking care of you, taking care of everybody in this house. Eh? Leave that girl alone, no. Okay. Beauty. Okay. Because of you. The one color left leg, oh. The one left leg. What nonsense is this now? Leave that girl alone, no. No man has not done anything to you. Leave it, no man. Okay. Let me see that beauty in this house again. Makani wego. Go one.
Mama! You're sleeping! Mama, how are you? Mama, how are you?
Fine, beauty.
Hey.
Mama, you are welcome.
Thank you very much, Mama. Mama, tell me, how are you doing?
Just like that.
Yeah, that's fine. Mama, how is Ekene?
He's fine, oh. But he told me that he wants to go and see his friend, Nema.
Oh. That's by the way. It's fine, it's okay. Mama, I brought this for you. Yes, and some other things.
You brought rubber for me?
Yes, Mama. I want you to start looking good like every other big women out there.
You want me to start looking beautiful like every other woman?
No, not just every other woman. Like a very big woman.
Big women? Yes. Hey! Mom, thank you so much.
You like them, don't you?
They are beautiful. Thank you. That was all, Mom.
Mama, I've always told you it's my duty to take care of you. Like the mother to the one that I truly love. Even if he doesn't love me back, I don't mind.
My dear, you don't have to. Because of this that you have done. And all this that you have said to me. See my son. You become yours. And I will make sure, do everything within my power to see that my son Ekene loves you.
And over my dead body will I do that.
Good afternoon.
What are you doing here?
She came to see me. Is there a problem with that? Okay.
Mama.
Now listen. You still have ears on your head. Very first and last time I will see you in this house.
Ekene, you lie. It is a lie. This house is my husband's house. What I say oppose in this house. Not what you say. We are going to marry this girl. Beauty is a very pretty girl. Look at her. A graduate with money. You have to marry her. I'm gonna get up in the chosen alwago. Now sit down. Don't have any problem. Nonsense. She will see nothing. Can I say she will see nothing? I'm marrying for Apple. You will marry Beauty. No one I know. Just look at. Can I come and see the clothes she bought for me? You do a time like one number. Has she giving me a wrapper like this? Nonsense. Are you scared? You don't have to get scared. It's my son. I know him.
I don't like the look on his face. Let me go. I'll come again to see him.
Okay. It's okay. He slept late this afternoon. That's why I know he's not in his right frame of mind, but he will be fine. When you look at this cloth very well, you will be fine. Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you. But you would have stayed.
Oh, no, I can't. I'll come again.
Okay. Oh, take care of yourself. Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, my dear. I'm sorry, okay? To not pain you again. You know, I want you to look more beautiful.
Yes, so beautiful for my Ekene. I like the hair, it's fine.
Yes, very, very fine. Norma, my friend. You know you're my friend.
Of course.
If I see anything bad that wants to happen to you and I decide to allow it, I'm not a good friend. What is it that you see in Ekene? I mean, what triggers your heart about him?
My Ekene.
My ears are filled up. Oh. The only thing I hear these days is how you and your mother caged Ekene. Me, I don't understand. That's why I want to ask.
Hey, Chinelu. You the amazing how we got I'm
getting drunk.
My dear, Don't let that bother you. People must talk. As for me, Norma, my ears are open to their stupid gossip. And I should know it's only a fool that make gossip a lucrative business. Because Missy can get them now.
Norma, my friend, you know I love you so much. And I don't want anything bad to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to
But
you.
if I were you, I would just forget about Ekene and his mother.
Hey! Bikokwa, Ekene has not done anything to me. It's only the mother who is trying to stop Ekene from seeing me. So tell me, why should I avoid him?
That is the more reason you should avoid him.
Yeah.
The mother hates you. And no matter what you do, you cannot stop that hatred.
Okay, Missy, don't worry. I will know what to do about it. Oh,
you better do.
Thank you,
You better do.
That's silly.
Because I don't want anything to happen to my lovely friend.
Nothing will happen to me.
Udoka, thank God I met you outside. Udogadi. In short, there will be peace if only you will do this one favor for me.
Okay, go ahead.
Please, I have come to beg you in the name of God to please tell your daughter to stay away from my son. Let her stay away from my son. This is the only favor I have come to beg you. Excuse me.
But Nkechi, what did she really do?
Did I say she did anything? The only thing I have come to ask you or beg you is to tell her to leave my son alone. And I'm sure if you tell her that, she will understand. Tell her to stay away from my son. Inugo, excuse me.
Mommy, Biko, oh no, we come see me heavy. Is there why you're coming? If I've ever offended you, please tell me. I will kneel down and beg you. What is this now? Are you bent on breaking my heart? Why can't you listen to me for once?
Hey, Mama, you know I've always listened to you. You know I've always wanted you happy since ever Papa died. But Mama, tell me, how come you now want me to be in sorrow now that I needed my own happiness? Why, Mama?
Your own happiness, Norma. I understand you are in love with Ekene, Awotamia, but he's not the only man. The idea of his mother coming to this house to warn me, to tell you to stay away from the son, is one thing I'm yet to understand. You have to be careful now. Go Draco here.
Mama. Hey, Mama, nothing will happen to me. See, Mama, I know that Ekene's mother is working under influence of something. I know.
And you don't think that same influence can make her destroy you?
Mama, just relax. See, Ekene has promised to protect me in everything.
I'm not joking.
Mama.
What is happening? Why are you being so difficult on this issue? Why have you decided not to allow Ekene marry Norma?
Okamaka. If you were not my sister, I would have asked you how much were you paid to do this? Yeah? What kind of stupid question is this? How can you say that I did not want my son to see a girl? What is there?
All I want is for him to obey me and stop seeing...
Not this girl in question. Not this girl. This girl has done nothing to you and you know it.
So what you are saying in effect is that I should tell my son Ekene to start preparing himself to marry that dirty girl who has no hope at all of tasting anything that is called riches all the days of her life. Or future, it can never be possible. Not while I'm alive. I want good things of life for my son.
It's all about school now. Sister, it's all about school. So you've refused all this work because Norma did not go to school. Manakam Jogo, did Ekene go to school?
Hey, now you sound like my sister. Now you sound like my younger sister Okamaka that I know. Hey, both of us are on the same page. We reason along. Okamaka, Ekene, my son, did not go to school. Therefore, he
does not need to be with a girl who did not go to school. Ekene needs a girl that has gone to school, who will help to brush my son up, brush him up, and make my son colleague and mad. I don't need an illiterate. I don't need what I want to get. I don't need it.
It's obvious you are sounding this way. It's obvious you are sounding this way, Nne. After all this girl did for you, Auntie.
Yama, point of correction. Before you go out to tell them, that girl did not do anything from you.
Eh?
Not even one single thing. Nothing. She is a pretender. Everything you have seen her do is because she wants to warm herself into Ekene's heart and to entice me into believing that she's a good girl. She's a pretender. Omekalo. She has done nothing for me. Uncle, am I looking for firewood? Call Millie. So, don't tell me that.
Adani, all I am asking is for you to allow peace to reign. Ekene has threatened to kill himself if things continues this way.
Is it true?
Yes, now. If you go near me.
So what is Ekene waiting for? Ekene, go and kill yourself. Ekene, mom, kill yourself. So that when you go to heaven or wherever you are heading to after you must have killed yourself, when God finds you and asks you why are you here, tell him that you killed yourself because of one stupid girl. Nonsense. You know I have heart. And when Moby, it's either he follows the light or I push him into the darkness.
I have said my own sister. I want to start going.
Thank you very much. At least you have contributed into the matter. But as to going, you know I never invited you. So if you know how you came, you can as well go back.
I'm your sister.
Oh, well, there's no doubt about that. We're talking about going and coming. And the way you came, you can just go.
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand. Obimo, 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 Obimo. And I give you my heart, 'cause I think you will understand. Oh, if I got now love, where it goes, yeah, if I got now love, where it goes, yeah, if we go now, love, where it goes, yeah, if we go now, love, where it goes, yeah, somebody please wake me up.
Beauty. I suggest you forget about this guy. Since you have tried all your possible best to get his love and attention, does he have any interest in you? And see if you can consider Madam. Since you have tried every possible means to get his attention and his love, but he doesn't have any interest in you. My friend, you don't think that. Listen, ever since I grew up as a lady, there's no guy, no man has ever moved me, ever. I mean it. This guy is he's just that one person that has really moved me. But you cannot do otherwise. You can't do anything about it. You have tried your best as a human being. Forget about him.
I still have my hopes held high. The mother promised to talk to him.
You are talking about his mother. That is his mother's opinion. Have you considered about his own opinion? That is where I want you to look into. This boy doesn't love you. Can't you see? Beauty, please.
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand.
Mama, good morning.
What is it? Eh? What is it? Is it that you have ears? You don't listen with them? Eh? Or that you just do not want to use your ears at all? I have told you to leave my son alone. Leave my son now, because what did I do to you?
Zibone, because if I've done anything wrong to you, Mama, forgive me. Because forgive me. Mama, I love you, Kenny. I love your son so much. Mama, because what has any love?
I don't have any other thing that I understand. The only language I hear is leave my son alone. Go and look for that man. My own is no longer available. Take your stupid, useless love to somewhere else. Maybe you don't understand where this is coming from. There is a big difference between Iti and Iti Polybomb.
Hey.
And Kepolibomb, that is what you are.
Hey.
Carry your firewood and water to somewhere else. I have seen light.
Eh?
I have seen light.
I need your love.
That way.
Mama, I promise you, my firewood this time will be very special. Oh?
What am I doing with firewood? Go and sell them and bring money. Come on, get out from here. Don't let me stone you. Good God. Get out!
Mama, I cannot.
Iti Bolipo, my son is not around for you.
Mama, bye-bye. Okay. Take care.
Come on. Massive Baji! What happened? Mazi, I have come to tell you. To warn your brother's wife, Udoka. Tell her to tell her daughter to leave my son alone. Tell her to leave my son alone. And I'm telling you, go and tell her. Tell her to stop whatever love potion she's using on my son through her daughter. Please, let them stay away from my son. Else, ask what? I'm asking you. Ask what? Else he kill her the way you kill your husband. Hey. You think we don't know? Everybody in this village know you kill your husband. Wait a minute. What am I even saying? Nkechi, who gave you the guts to come into my house to talk rubbish? I don't blame you. I said I don't blame you at all. I blame Unoma for falling in love with your useless and hopeless son. Oh. Mazi, you heard your wife. She said that my son is stupid and useless. Yes, Nkechi heard me. If your son is not useless and hopeless, he should have known that Ezanyago family will have nothing to do with Irregular family because you people are evil.
Mama, it's okay.
No, allow her to talk. Let her vomit all the nonsense in her mouth. I am waiting, Oloma. No, continue. Allow me to talk to this wicked and contaminated witch. Nkechi, go ahead. Higher class. Keep Noma for all I care. Go ahead. Kill her. You heard her. You heard what she said, and you are keeping mute. Both of you are small case. I know how to handle you. Me? Nkechi, you are an idiot. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. So why do you? Every woman in this world is scared of you. Nkechi, Uloma, I am not afraid of you. Okay. Nkechi, try me. I will give it to you. Fire for fire. Idiot. No problem. Now you have hide it from her. You hide it. Okay. I am going. She has finished everything she has. You both of you should wait for me. I am going, but I will come back for you. You can't even squeeze them out. Don't worry, when I will come for her, I will add you. No, let's go. I'm going. I'm going. Come and stay. Come and get away. Let me tell you. Never in your life come to my house with your useless complaint to my husband. If you have anything with Noma, with her mother, go to them and sort it out. Idiot.
Please, I don't want to involve myself in this. Neither do I want you to. Everyone knows that Nkechi is a troublemaker, eh?
Nine, and you think that I, Loma, I am not equal to the tax.
Let her come with her trouble. Let Nkechi come with her trouble. I am waiting for her. Nonsense.
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand. Obimo, oh, Obimo, Obimo, oh, Obimo.
Sister, what is it? Your countenance these days is dull. It's unlike you. Is there anything you are not telling anybody?
I'm sorry.
No, sister. You are not. Look at it. It's written all over you. Please, what is it?
Emeka, please, I beg in the name of God, I want to be left alone. Biko.
Sister, if it is, you have to put a smiling face. Please, your brother doesn't like this.
I said I want to be left alone.
Have I said anything wrong now?
Did I say you've said anything wrong? I only said I want to be left alone. Hapmaka, Biko.
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand. Obimo, oh, Obimo, Obimo,
Find you to know what you tell Mama. Come see.
and I give you my heart.
Hello? Is someone home? Hello?
Oh, my daughter.
Good morning, ma.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma. Is Nema home? I can't see him.
No, he's not around.
Okay.
I hope there's no problem.
No problem, not at all. Please, can you help me tell him that I came looking for him?
Yeah, but I don't know you.
I'm sorry, pardon my manners. My name is Beauty, and I'm his friend.
All right.
Okay, thank you very much, ma.
No problem.
Take care.
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all.
It's all right. I will tell you.
Okay, bye.
All right.
Okay.
Wrong one.
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye. Oh.
Bye, ma.
Oh, mama. My dear, if I tell you I am not surprised, I'll be lying. For how many years now I lost my husband? Not even a phone call, not to talk of being around. I hope all is well.
My dear, all is not well. My last importation was seized at the border by the customs. There's nothing I and my husband have not done to get it. Yet, nothing shows.
Hey, yeah. So sorry. It's a pity. These custom people and their wahala. So how is your husband and your children?
They are fine.
Please pardon my manners. Let's have this.
Hey. Since when did your daughter start running this charity organization, if I may ask?
My daughter?
Yes.
I don't understand.
How? Do you mean you want to tell me that you've not heard of how your daughter, Beauty, have been spending money on one widow like that at Abuan simply because she loved her son, who has not shown any interest in where she is?
Wait a minute. Is this a movie? Or it is a real story?
Does it look as if I've come to gossip or what?
Oh, forgive my manners. But who is this woman? Tell me and leave the rest of the action to me.
So, if I tell you now, what do you want to do? Fight her? Oh no, come on, you're above that.
Yes, I know I'm above that, but I need to know who this woman is. Who is this woman? I will need to know her. Who is she?
Is the wife of the late palm wine tapper who supplied every drink during your husband's chieftaincy confinement.
What? Yes. When you do it, Chabwana?
Exactly.
Okay. It's all right. Thank you for this piece of information. I know how to handle her.
What is really happening? Why is she doing this to me? Could it be that she's seen another man? But why? After all my love for her, what do I do now? Do I consider this beauty of a girl? No, I can't. I can't fall so cheaply because of money. I love Norma.
Where are we going to?
We're here already now.
Where? Here. Njiko Forest. Hey, Ekene, don't you know that this place is a sacred place and it's so scary?
And that is why I brought you here. So that you will prove the love you have for me. And I will prove the love I have for you. You know that whatever promises that is made in this place holds till death. That is why I said let us come to this place and let us reassure ourselves. I will give you the assurance that you will not leave me for another person no matter the circumstances.
You know I love you with everything in me.
No. Prove it to me here. So that I will have the assurance and you have the assurance.
Hey, blood covenant. Hey, leave alone now. Okay, why are we going this far? Why?
Say no to me, please. This is the only way I can be assured that you're not going to leave me, that you will stick by me forever.
Are you sure we're doing the right thing?
You're with me, I won't kill you now. Huh? If I don't love you, I won't be doing this.
The love I have for you is so precious that not even poverty and challenges of life can change it. Though I might not have money, though I might not be as rich as others, please, I want you to stay with me. I want you to always love me in sickness and in health. Please.
My love, I promise you this day to love you with everything in me, my body, my soul. I would say you're the reason why I've been created. Without you in my life, I'm incomplete. Promise me you will never leave me for another.
Promise.
Promise.
Yes. This day I promise I will always love you. I will not share my love with any other person till I die.
I promise to love you too.
She means everything to me. Hey, Norma.
Go to the kitchen also.
But wait. Were you in love with him before?
Idiot.
Mo, are you
Go to the kitchen. Now put rice on fire.
Mama, he's come.
Rice.
She's come.
That's it.
Mama, where is road to the kitchen?
Come on, Sheba also.
Okay.
What is it?
But the question is, did I connect?
Okay, go back. What is it? Was Ekene in love with her before? But why are you laughing? I'm supposed to laugh now because Nema told me that Ekene did not love her. Now look at it. It shows that he loved her. I love her, yeah? Oh, that is it. Bye. Why are you? Who is it? Hi. My dear, I'm fine. As you can see, I'm fine. How about you? I'm not really fine. Yo, what do you want? My daughter came back crying. Only Tigasin Pudianga. See that somebody told her that Ekene, your son, traveled. You see her no more, ma. She's lying. Let me come and see you, woman to woman, to know if it's the truth. 100% correct. But do you have any problem with that? No, not really. I don't. But at least, I could have at least told my daughter before traveling. One way for any other thing. For what they shared together. What does that supposed to mean? No, what is it that they shared? Yeah? Listen, I don't know what your plans are.